In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import products in Wix. This process is a useful tool if you're setting up your online store, or if you have a large number of products that you need to add to your website efficiently. We'll guide you through each step to ensure everything runs smoothly and seamlessly. So, let's get started. First, let's access your store products. Begin by going to your Wix site's dashboard. This is essentially the main control panel where you can manage all the integral parts of your Wix website. Once you're there, navigate your way to the Store Products section. This is where all the magic happens, as it will be your central hub for managing products, from adding new ones to updating existing entries. Now that you've found your way to the Store Products section, the next step involves downloading the template you'll be using. This template is a crucial part of ensuring that the data you upload fits seamlessly into Wix's system, so take your time with this step. To begin, you'll notice an option labeled More Actions. Go ahead and click on that. This will reveal several additional options for you. From this expanded menu, select Import. This option is what enables the bulk addition of products, which, as you can probably imagine, can be a huge time saver compared to adding items manually one by one. Once you've clicked Import, look for the option to download the CSV file. Clicking on Download CSV File will save a template to your computer. This template is your key to importing products because it's specially formatted with headers and columns that align perfectly with Wix's database. Having this standardized file ensures that all your product details, such as names, descriptions, prices, and any other specifics, are entered correctly without any formatting issues. Now, with the CSV template safely downloaded onto your device, you can begin filling it in with your product information. Open it using spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. You'll see columns labeled for each piece of data Wix needs for each product. Carefully fill in each of these columns with your corresponding product information. Remember, accuracy is important here. This will streamline the upload process and reduce any need for troubleshooting later on. Taking your time at this step will also help ensure that product categories, images, and prices are all reflected accurately on your live site once imported, giving your customers the best possible experience. And there you have it. In just a few clear steps, you've learned how to navigate your Wix dashboard to start the process of importing products into your store. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy selling!